Hi guys, it's the Hobby Dabbler. I just wanted to make a quick video on how to do a gel medium image transfer with you in your art journals today. So it's pretty basic. What you need is gel medium. They come in lots of brands. This one happens to be Liquitex. It's a matte gel medium, so it'll have a nice matte finish. You can also get glossy. You need an image that you want to transfer, and it has to be laser printed, because if you use an inkjet printer to print an image, as soon as it touches the gel medium, it's going to smear the ink all over. So things like magazines, books, newspapers, if you have a laser printer, you can print your own images. You need a spray bottle with some water, or a sponge with some water, and a paintbrush. And I have a brayer. You don't need a brayer, it just comes in handy when you have kind of a bumpy page. So basically what you do is you take your gel medium and you start to spread it where you want it on your page. Like that. You want a good coating, but not too thick, not too thin. And then you put your image on top, upside down, like that. And now you want to make sure that it's really good and squashed down. So I'm going to use a brayer. You can just use your fingers. And now you let it sit. Probably overnight is best. You don't want to put any gel medium on the back. I've tried using a heat gun to speed the process along because I'm not very patient. And I found that it really doesn't work. The transfer gets really sticky and just doesn't come off nice. So leave it alone, leave it overnight, go to your next page, do something else. This one here, I've left it for several hours already, so it's good and dry. So once your image is dry, you take your spray bottle with water and you spray it down. And you want to make it pretty wet, but not sopping. And just let it kind of sit and seep in for a minute. And then what you want to do is you want to start peeling with your fingers, and you want to do it gently, because if you do it too hard, your image isn't gonna stay on the page. It's gonna come right off with your fingers. So gently roll off the paper. If it feels like it's really stuck, use more water, and just keep gently rubbing the paper from behind off. And it's not going to be perfect. Some of it's going to come off, like right there. But that's kind of the charm of it. It looks rustic almost. So keep going, keep rubbing, and keep wetting if you have to, until you get all the paper off. So I'll keep doing this, and I'll kind of speed through this part. Okay, when you get the first layer off, hit it with a heat gun, and then you can see where you need to peel more off. So then spray it again with water, and keep going, because you're gonna miss some. There's a fine line between too much and too little, though. So you really got to be careful when you're rubbing, not to take off too much, but you still want a clear image. And also keep in mind that when you're doing it, if there's any wording in the picture, it's going to be backwards because you're using the reverse. I like to use a makeup brush to just sweep it off because it makes a bit of a mess. And like I said, it's not going to be perfect, but that's kind of it's the beauty of it. So after I get all the paper that I want off, you can leave some on too. It looks kind of cool when you leave a bit of the words on. I like to take more gel medium and just put a light coating over top. It makes the picture pop. And that's pretty much it. You can do this on wood, you can do this on your art journals, you can do it on canvas. And it's a really diverse tool to use in your art. So if you like what you saw, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Thanks, bye.